the Bolt nameplate has evolved since its early days. This version of the Bolt is designed to appeal not only to EV enthusiasts, but also to everyday drivers who want a reliable modern car that fits seamlessly into their lives without feeling experimental or intimidating. At first glance, the 2027 Bolt immediately feels more mature and refined. Chevrolet has moved away from the purely economy-focused appearance of earlier models and given the car a more confident, contemporary presence. The body proportions are slightly wider and more planted, which helps the car look stable and purposeful on the road. Clean surfaces dominate the design, but subtle creases along the doors and fenders add character without being overly aggressive. The front end is closed off in classic EV fashion, but Chevrolet has integrated sleek LED lighting and a more sculpted fascia to give the car a recognizable face, day or night. Aerodynamics clearly played a role in shaping the exterior, with smooth airflow paths designed to improve efficiency and reduce wind noise at highway speeds. Moving around to the side, the wheel design and tire sizing strike a careful balance between efficiency and style. These are not oversized, performance-focused wheels, but they look modern and help reduce rolling resistance, which directly benefits driving range. At the rear, the Bolt maintains a compact hatchback profile, making it easy to park in tight urban environments. While still offering a practical cargo opening, the taillights are sharper and more horizontally oriented, visually widening the car and reinforcing its updated stance. Inside, the 2027 Bolt feels like a major step forward in terms of quality and usability. The cabin is clean, open, and intentionally designed to feel intuitive rather than overwhelming. Materials are noticeably improved compared to earlier generations, with soft-touch surfaces in high-contact areas and a more cohesive color and texture palette throughout the interior. Chevrolet is focused on making the space feel airy, with a low dashboard and well-placed windows that enhance outward visibility, which is especially useful in city driving. The centerpiece of the interior is the updated infotainment system, displayed on a large, high-resolution screen that integrates seamlessly into the dashboard. The interface is designed to be responsive and straightforward, offering smartphone-style navigation through menus and features. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, making it easy to bring your digital life into the car without dealing with cables. For drivers who prefer built-in systems, the Bolt also supports native navigation optimized for electric vehicles, factoring in charging locations and real-time energy consumption. The digital instrument cluster provides clear, customizable information, including speed, range, energy usage, and driver assistance alerts. Chevrolet has made a conscious effort to present EV-specific data in a way that's easy to understand, even for first-time electric car owners. Instead of bombarding the driver with technical jargon, the displays translate complex information into simple visuals that help you drive more efficiently without constant mental effort. Seating comfort is another area where the 2027 Bolt shines. The seats are designed for daily use rather than short test drives, offering good lumbar support and cushioning for longer commutes. Despite the car's compact exterior dimensions, interior packaging is efficient, providing ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The flat floor, a benefit of the EV platform, makes the rear seat more comfortable for adults and improves overall cabin flexibility. When it comes to performance, the 2027 Chevrolet Bolt prioritizes smooth, predictable driving rather than outright sportiness, and that's very much intentional. The electric motor delivers instant torque, which means quick and confident acceleration from a stop. This makes merging into traffic or navigating busy intersections feel effortless. While it's not positioned as a performance car, the Bolt feels lively and responsive in everyday driving situations, especially in urban and suburban environments. Where EVs naturally excel, the suspension tuning is clearly aimed at comfort and stability. The car absorbs bumps and uneven pavement well, making it suitable for daily commuting and longer highway trips. Steering is light and precise, which helps reduce fatigue during city driving and parking maneuvers. At higher speeds, the Bolt remains composed, with a low center of gravity from the battery pack contributing to confident handling through corners. Range and efficiency remain core strengths of the Bolt lineup, and the 2027 model continues that tradition. While exact numbers may vary depending on configuration and driving conditions, Chevrolet has engineered this Bolt to deliver competitive real-world range that comfortably meets the needs of most drivers. It's designed to handle several days of commuting on a single charge for many users, reducing the need for frequent plug-ins. Energy management systems have been refined to improve consistency, so the range you see on the screen more closely matches what you experience on the road. Charging has also been improved to better match modern expectations. The 2027 Bolt supports faster DC fast charging than earlier versions, allowing drivers to recover a meaningful amount of range during short stops. For home charging, Level 2 compatibility makes overnight charging straightforward and cost-effective. Chevrolet has also worked on simplifying the charging experience through software, helping drivers locate compatible chargers and monitor charging status remotely through connected services. Safety and driver assistance are key pillars of the 2027 Bolt's appeal. Chevrolet includes a comprehensive suite of advanced safety technologies designed to reduce stress and improve awareness. Features such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control work together to support the driver without being intrusive. These systems are tuned to feel natural, intervening smoothly when needed, rather than abruptly taking control. Alone of the Bolt's most compelling unique selling points remains its value proposition. The 2027 model continues to position itself as an accessible entry point into electric driving without feeling like a compromise. It offers modern technology, respectable range, practical interior space, and strong safety features at a price point that undercuts many competitors in the EV market. This makes it especially attractive for first-time EV buyers, small families, and urban professionals looking for a cost-effective yet future-ready vehicle. Ultimately, the Chevrolet Bolt 2027 is about confidence and approachability. It doesn't try to impress with extreme performance figures or radical styling. Instead, it focuses on doing the fundamentals extremely well: efficient electric driving, user-friendly technology, practical design, and everyday comfort. For drivers who want an electric car that feels familiar, dependable, and thoughtfully engineered, the 2027 Bolt Street Ans as a strong example of how electric vehicles are becoming not just alternatives, but sensible, mainstream choices.